All right, so we're looking at number 6. The length of the rectangle is 3 more than 5 times its width. So that 3 more, that's your clue 4. Let's draw a rectangle. I'm going to draw a rectangle. And the length, so we have our width. We don't know what the width is. And the length is 3 plus 5 times our width. Okay, and then the perimeter, P, is equal to 112. Now there's a couple ways. We know that perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. So we can just substitute our length in for L. So this will become P is equal to 2 times 3 plus 5W, and then plus 2W. Then we're going to distribute and combine like terms. Okay, so this is going to become P is equal to 6 plus 10W plus 2W. Okay, combine like terms. P is equal to 6 plus 12W. All right, so now we said P is equal to 112. So this will become 112. All right, subtract 112 minus 6 gives me 106. So that's going to be 106 is equal to 12. I'll do that. 106 is equal to 12W. 106 divided by 12 will give me 8.3. This one's a little, that kind of didn't work out good for us, but we can deal with it. Our width is going to be, we'll just say, let's see, fraction. Let's just do 106 divided by 12 and simplify. So, let's see, 102 divided by 4. Nope, 102, no, 106. I know it's going to be divisible of it, 2. That's probably it. 2, 6. Let's see. 53 divided by 3. Nope. 53 divided by 2. Nope. So this is, our width is going to be 53 over 6. We need to find our length. Okay. So length is going to be equal to, all right, we said over here, length is equal to 3 plus 5W. So I'm going to say 3 plus 5 times 53 over 6. Sorry, I didn't give you nice numbers on this one. 53, 5 times, let's see, let me use a different calculator because the calculator I'm using right now is not letting me do fractions. So, okay, so 53 divided by 6 times 5 plus 3 gives me, sorry about this, guys, 283 over 6. So our length is 283 over 6, and our width is 53 over 6. Really sorry about that. As long as you understand the process, you should be good on getting to the answer. Number 7, where does the line cross the x-axis and the y-axis? Remember, when we cross the x-axis, our y value is 0. When we cross the y-axis, our x value is 0. So I'm going to plug up here. So I'm going to write this down, x-axis. I'm going to write y-axis. Okay. So that's the point when y is 0. This is the point where x is 0. And I'm going to plug that into my equation. When y is 0, that's going to give me 0 is equal to negative 2/5 x plus 4. All right, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. That's going to give me 4 is equal to negative 2/5 x. I'm going to multiply by 5, so that gives me 20 is equal to negative 2x. Divide by negative 2, so then that gives me x is equal to negative 10. Okay, now we're not looking for when, we know what, so that means that the intercept for the x-axis would be negative 10, 0. Now I need to find my y-axis. The y-axis is when x is 0. So that's going to be y is equal to 4. Because if I plug in 0 up here, that negative 2/5 is going to go away. So when, let me draw that out more demonstratively. So if y is 0, that's going to be, or when x is 0, that's going to be y is equal to negative 2/5 times 0 plus 4. That's going to go away. So then y is equal to 4. So my intercepts are negative 10, 0, and 0, 4. Number 8, we're going to graph this equation. Note, all of these are divisible by 4. So I can quite simply, quickly and easily change this so that this is x plus 2y is equal to 4. That makes it a lot easier to deal with. So that becomes 2y is equal to negative x plus 4. Divide by 2. Y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 2. So I'm going to go up here to my y-intercept of 2. I have a negative slope of 1/2, so I'm going to go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, up to go. I'm going to go back to where I began and do the opposite. So I'm going to go up 1, left 2. So that it's continue. We want it to continue in the same direction that we're going originally. And in order for us to continue it in the same direction that we started with, we need to put it in this format. Let's see, insert shape. I'm going to insert a line. Oh, there we go. So I have a nice, pretty line. Ooh, can I change my... Yes, I can. Look at this. Oh, I'm having such fun. Shapes, styles, yes. I'm going to make it a little bit more thicker. Ooh, I can even put arrows. Sorry, I'm having fun with this. You know, I mean, because it's supposed to have arrows. There we go. Ah, word is such fun. All right, so we are done with number 8. Number 9, all we're doing is looking for the y-intercept. The y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, that means it's crossing the y-axis. X-intercept, think of it as a football field. Well, it's crossing the y. This is our y. This is our x. It's crossing the y-axis there. That is the coordinate point, 0, 2. That easy. Number 10, I will continue that in the next